Turning now to a health alert out of Douglas County tonight, where 3 pediatric cases of pertussis or whooping cough have been confirmed, along with 7 additional presumptive cases. Roseburg High School, South Umpqua High, and Jolene Middle School families have been alerted. Douglas County public health officials are urging people to make sure their vaccinations are up to date. Whooping cough is a serious and contagious infection, and initial symptoms in older children and adults are similar to those of a cold, such as runny nose, sneezing, severe cough. Infants often display more severe symptoms such as gagging, gasping, and a whooping sound when coughing. If you have these symptoms, seek medical attention and avoid contact with others.